Everybody says be consistent on YouTube. Everybody says post. Everybody says this, says that. Everybody has an opinion about YouTube consistency, but people do not really tell you in detail what consistency is really about. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you the truth about being consistent or consistency on YouTube. Today, I'll be sharing the real truth about consistency on YouTube, okay? Yes, everybody says consistent, be consistent, but don't really give you the in-depth details of being consistent. Now, one thing you need to know is consistency doesn't mean daily posting. Consistency doesn't mean you have to post from Monday to Friday. Consistency means showing up at the time you have chosen to show up. Say, for instance, you want to be posting videos twice a week. You post on Mondays and Fridays. And the next week you post Monday and Friday. For the next 3 months, you post Monday and Friday. Everybody already knows these are the days that you post, and you keep showing up Mondays and Fridays. This is what consistency is. There is a YouTuber I watch. Her name is Martha Ehinome. Martha Ehinome posts every Saturday, I think by 12 noon. And at this point, I already know every Saturday I'm going to see a video that Martha will drop on Saturday. People that watch Martha already knows that she posts every Saturday. So that is what consistency is. And she has been doing this over time for over a year, posting every Saturday. That is what consistency is, and her channel is growing. People are liking her videos. So this is not about posting every day. Yes, sometimes it works, but would you be posting every single day without giving value? Think about it. Now, this leads me to my second point. Quality plus value gives quantity. Now, if the quality of your video is good and you're giving good value, over time you will see that you've made over 100 videos on YouTube, because you're not just focusing on, oh, I want to be posting every day, but you're giving value. When you're giving value, the quality of your video grows, and then that way the number of videos you're posting will now grow. Now, this is the difference between people that post every day and not give value, and people that post consistently for like once a week or twice a week and still give value. A person that just wants to post for the sake of posting, there are some YouTubers that I used to watch before, but I just stopped watching them because they were not even giving me the value that I wanted. But they were posting every day using clickbait thumbnails for people. And there are other YouTubers that they just post once in a week. You see that the person that is posting every day is gathering 2,000 views every day, 3,000 views, whereas the person that will post once in a week, one video may do 60,000 views. Now, compare those two. Would you rather not do quality and value rather than just posting every single day without giving enough value? Think about that as well. Another thing they don't tell you about consistency is burnout happens when you start trying to do too much. You know yourself, you know what works for you. Why don't you just do what works for you rather than doing things with people that post every day? You will get burnt out. You cannot be doing this thing every single day, posting it is not easy. The mental stress alone is on another level. Talk more of the physical stress, because you have to sit down. But talking alone, after doing these videos, this is the 4th video I'm filming still out today. After doing this video, I'm going to eat bole and fish because I'm already hungry, and I already ate like few hours before I started doing this video. That is it. You get bored, like you'll be tired. It's a physical thing. You move before you will set. The mental stress is there as well. You want to have the right angles. You want to have crisp, clean video. All of these things alone can cause burnout. Now imagine me doing this thing every single day because I want to be posting every single day and grow my channel. No, I cannot. There are people that maybe it works for them, but it doesn't work for me. Even short form content, I tried to do it, I could not. I thought I was trying to do a 30 days challenge, and you're now comparing yourself, or your lifestyle is very different from somebody. There are some people that go out every single day, they have activities and they vlog their lifestyle. Not talk of me that I don't go out every day, I work from home. Do you understand? It may eventually cause burnout if you try to post every day like every other person. Think of what works best for you. For me now, I'm sitting down, it's a Thursday. I now want to post on Friday. So today I'll try as much as possible to edit, even if it's one video, to be able to post tomorrow. And I plan myself. I'm not going to myself. I'm going to do the word that my strengths carry me, but I'm not going to be lazy at the same time. Now, some people would now mistake that for being lazy. I say, okay, they say we should do it our time. No, you have to still work hard. And that's something I've come to learn about YouTube. Another thing is consistency builds trust with the algorithm and your viewers, your audience, people that are watching you. When they see you every single time, they know that, oh, this person is going to post at this time. They look forward to watching your videos. I even saw, when people love you, they love you. Recently on Dima Ume's Instagram story, she posted how somebody reached out to her and said, oh, whenever you post, I don't get notified anymore. This is because she has built a bond with her subscribers, her followers for years, and now they already know Dima posts every single Wednesday and I think Saturdays also. And if they don't see the videos or they don't get notified, they'll be worried like, see Dima post though. She has built that trust, and the algorithm will start pushing her content to her subscribers whenever she uploads. So consistency will build that thing. And I will keep saying it, you don't have to post every day. Just be consistent. Show up at the time that you've said you will show up, and people will be there waiting for you to see you. Okay. And one more thing you should know is you need to plan your content ahead of time to be consistent. Like I said, I'm giving myself the challenge to post at least one video every week. So I would plan my next month's content in October. I'll plan my November content in October. This content I'm shooting right now, I planned it in September, so that I don't have to start stressing myself and scrambling out for ideas and everything. Just learn to plan, write things out. I have a notepad here. This is my notepad that I use. I just want to show you guys. I have my laptop here as well, right in front of me, with ideas on ChatGPT that we have talked about, scripted and everything. I'm just picking bullet points from there. I already have all of this planned out. I have content, everything planned out. Okay, I already know, my Kakao subscription will expire so and so time. So I want to be able to edit enough videos before it expires. Plan yourself. And I've decided to be wearing only black for my YouTube videos, so I don't start scrambling on what to wear, what to do. I'm keeping it as simple as possible because I don't have a lot of clothes, and I know what's somebody to be asking me, is it the only clothes you have? So I've decided black. If I wear another black t-shirt today, nobody's going to, they just know that I'm wearing black. That's my color. Tomorrow I may start wearing white, but I don't want anything that will start stressing me, making me stress myself. And that is one thing that most people do. Most of us, like I said in my previous video, we focus a lot on aesthetics, the outside, rather than the value that we're going to give. But right now, I'm no more in that phase. I'm not in the phase where I want to give value rather than people seeing my clothes. I'm not even wearing my knuckle rings. In my previous video, I will show you my nails are not the best right now. I know, but I'm still going to show up regardless. I'm still going to get my nails done. Okay? So yeah, that's what consistency does to you. It makes you show up. And by that you start building that trust with your audience, you would want to keep showing up for them. You start building that togetherness. You start showing up for them. And it is a really good thing. YouTube is amazing. I have some really nice creators that I love. I love to watch them. And I know one day you'd want to have that community of your own. See, don't let anybody deceive you. The internet is big enough for everybody. So consistency matters, but it's just how you plan yourself, how you do what works for you. That's just it. Do what works for you when it comes to consistency. Do not be pressured by other people because somebody is posting every single day doesn't mean you can do it as well. Okay, I'm not saying we should be lazy, but we should just do what works for us. And that's just it. Do whatever works for you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Do also subscribe to the channel for more content, and I'll be able to catch you guys on the next video. Bye.